City. We are under a severe thunderstorm warning. There is a large line of storms coming in towards New York City. The winds aren't too bad from what I saw on the radar. However, there is hail cores in that storm. There are numerous cores of hail that are coming in. It could hold together, it could fall apart, but it's very humid outside. It is incredibly humid, and there's currently severe storms coming into New York City. Let me just check the radar on like a couple minutes. I'm gonna see what's going on. I'm currently trying to basically get into the worst part of the storm, and wherever it seems like it's gonna head, I'm gonna try to head in that direction. I'm trying to head further north because that's where I feel the core of the storm is going to be, further north, because that's where there is a bit of a bow forming. Even if I don't get any hail, I'll definitely get some strong winds because there's a bow forming, so this could produce some damaging winds. Currently, we are getting some cumulus towers. Very dark skies to the west. Haven't seen any lightning yet, but that's about to change. And looking under the clouds, I can see some a bit of discoloration of dark gray and a little bit of green, which is signifying that there's going to be hail with this. I was actually in Manhattan just 3 days ago. 3 days ago, there was hail in New York City. There was hail 3 days ago. I was in lower Manhattan. This area further up had a slightly larger hail. There it comes in. There's the gust front right there. Let me check the radar one more time. And it could already be raining ahead of that gust. Well, so I just checked the radar, and there's actually some rotation. Nice. There's actually some rotation just west of us. So possibility of a brief spin up, but it's very weak rotation, so I wouldn't think it's going to produce a tornado. If there is going to be any hail, it's going to be pea to marble sized. It's going to be small hail, from my understanding. I think the hail is going to be small if we get any. The hail core doesn't look that impressive. Still there. I think that we might get, as I said, pea to marble sized hail, or really big raindrops, because I think now that the storm is becoming more linear, it's going to be losing that hail potential. It's going to be more of a damaging wind potential. So I'm going to head up to Central Park so I could film some of those strong winds that are going to be coming in shortly. I'm thinking winds of 30 to 40 miles an hour with some gusts of 50. That's what I'm thinking is going to happen, with some really heavy rain and maybe some small hail. And usually the hail falls on the front end of the storm as the precip just gets started, usually. However, sometimes you could also get hail with the heaviest precip. Like when I was in Manhattan, the hail started falling before the winds and the heaviest rain came in. If you saw my video, the hail actually started coming down in the initial part of the storm. Hail was it was larger than pea size. It was about 1 and 1.5 inch, half-inch diameter. So definitely sub-severe. It was almost dime size. The hail was almost to the size of dimes. There were probably a couple embedded dime-sized pieces in there. But dime is basically even though it's the third largest coin in terms of value, it's smallest in size. It's actually smaller than a penny. So I had about half-inch diameter hail. Hail was roughly, I would say, dime size when we, because some of it melted. There were a couple marble-sized pieces embedded, but then again, marbles come in different shapes and sizes, so I would say the closest, it was dime size. There's the gust front coming in. Alrighty. I'm not sure if I'm going to live stream the storm itself because the connection could get wonky. So So what I'm gonna do is when the storm gets closer, I will shut off the live stream and I will record it. I will record it and then upload it, because I think the video quality will be better. Yeah, you know what? I'm ending the stream and I'm gonna record it and then I'm gonna upload it, because the quality is gonna be better. I could zoom in and out better. Thank you for watching. Bye.